Okay, so we will click here. If nothing is entered in B9, is it unit price? Nothing is entered in check again, not in the number of items. Okay, if nothing is entered in the number of items, so it means B9 equals nothing. I want this cell to be empty, otherwise I want to multiply the number of items by the unit price, like this. So let's check now. Replicate the formula entered in step 10 and 11 for rows from 10 to 19. So we want to replicate this formula 10 and 11 to be from the rows from 10 to 19. To replicate the formula, let's come here and check. See, for this formula on rows, the A9 value is absolute, right? طيب. In columns, we don't want the A9 value to be absolute. So what we need to change, we need to remove only $1 sign from here, $1 sign from here. If we did like this and move it from line 9, 10 to 19, let's see the formula. Here we have A9, here we have A10, 11, 12. So every time it is changed vertically. Okay, so I will just move between them. So now I don't want to do any change. So this is 12. Okay, this is here we have A9, we have A9 here, A10, A10. Take care when you are click on the formula, and while you are in the formula mode, don't click to any other cell, so the formula will be changed. So click enter if you want to move from the formula mode. Okay, here we have A10, A11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, let's see the question. It's until 19. Okay, we want to do it for not only C, we want it to do to C, D and E. So let's go continue. If we check here, we want to remove the absolute value from the columns, so we will remove $1 only. So if you click here, we have $1 sign is removed, and you can drag it until 19. Click here to check. We are on column 18, and this is the formula. A18, we want to look the value from A18, and here we have A18. Okay, let's check the unit price. So what we will do, we'll do the same, remove the dollar sign from here and remove it from here, then enter, then drag until 19. This is 19. Okay, how about the unit price? We will just drag it down until 19. So here we have B12 times E12. Here we have B16 times E16, and we have the condition applied for B16. Okay, so until now we are done with this. Place in cell F21 a function to calculate the total of the price column. Where is F21? This is F21. We want to calculate the total price, so we will just write equals. Sorry, I will open the bracket. Then you specify the cells. It's until not 20, it's until 19. Then I will close it because the values will be until 19 and there is no any value here, so the sum is 0. Let's continue. Apply appropriate formatting to the cell in row 9 to 21. What is the appropriate formatting? The cells from the cell rows in 9 to 21 for the unit price are price. So what we need to do, we need to do the formatting as mentioned here to make the values in euros and 2 decimal places. Okay, so we will just right click, format cells, click on number. We needed how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Let's look at the currency. Where is the currency? Let's choose it. We will find euro. Where is euro? Here we have it like this or like this. I will choose this one. Any one of them is okay. So this is the formatting as required. Okay, let's continue. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Okay, we want to show the formula first, then we want to print, and we should follow these instructions in printing. Okay, let's check now how to show the formulas. We will just click on formulas, show formulas. You see here what do we have? This is the model formula, capacity formula, unit price formula, and price formula. Okay, and we have the formula of the sum. So we have already shown the formulas. Now we want to print. Print should be, it is in landscape orientation. The rows and columns heading are displayed and grid line are displayed, and the content of all of cells are fully visible. Let's see the printing. So we'll click file, print, page setup. We need to show the footer. Okay, page, we need landscape. We need to show in each sheet we need to show the grid line. We need to show row and column headings from the sheet. What else? Let's go back and check. Landscape, rows and columns heading are displayed, grid line are displayed, and let's check. So this is the first page. We have 3 pages. This is the first page. All of the formulas of the model are appeared. And the second page, this is the second page, the formula for capacity and unit price, and you see the footer, we still have the information. The rows and columns heading are visible, and then we will move to the last page. We have the formula of the price. Okay, so I will just close. I just preview the printing. we want to save it. Let's continue. Enter the address as shown and format it like this. So we will go to the invoice file and enter all of this information. Where is the invoice file? I closed it. I will open the invoice file. I will remove the formula from showing. Okay, I didn't show the formula now. What I will do now, I will write the information in the second column here. Tawara Technology Solutions. Let me check. And they should still on B only, okay? Then can I copy? Cannot. 32 32 Acacia Avenue, Tawara 45673. We need Tawara only, take care, okay? So what is the number? 45673. 45673. Okay. Enter these product codes and number of items into the invoice. SSD 18, SSD 34, 1 and 10. Okay, so here SSD 18, you see automatically we have model, capacity, unit price. The number of units is 1, so directly we have the price, and we have SSD 34. The number of units is 10, so directly we have the price, and we have also the total price. What next? Save your spreadsheet. Print the interior spreadsheet showing the values. We want to print this spreadsheet now, and let's see the instructions of printing. Print out fits on a single page. It means portrait. Only one page, and we can do it portrait. Content of the cells are fully visible. Grid lines are not displayed. Rows and columns heading are not displayed. Let's see. Okay, now let's try. File, print. You see, it was just some justification. Page setup, I will put it on portrait, and on the sheet we will choose the grid line. We moved it, we remove the rows and heading, and everything is okay now. So this is our printing. Let's continue. Print the evidence document. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page on your evidence document. Save your evidence document. Print your evidence document. This is our evidence document. So in evidence document we have evidences from only 1 to 3 to 4,